Welcome, my dear student. Now, the today's topic is the modeling style in VHDL. Now, as you know that there are the three parts of VHDL programming. The first part is the library, second is the entity, and third is the architecture. So, in architecture, we are trying to write the terms, or we are trying to write behavior, we are trying to write the operation, or we are trying to write the relation between the input and output. So, there are different way to write it. That on the basis of the way of drawing it, there are different types of modeling. Actually, there are four types of modeling. The first one is the data flow modeling, that is it is also called as the design equation. Second one is the behavioral modeling, that is explain the behavior. Next one is the structural modeling, that is connections of the submodule, and a hybrid model. This hybrid model is nothing but the combination of upper three: data flow, behavioral, and structural, and hybrid. Actually, in the VHDL there are only the three type of style of modeling, that is structural, data flow, and behavioral. And fourth one is which is formed, this is called as a hybrid. That is hybrid is nothing but the combination of upper three one, that is structural, data flow, and behavioral. In the structural and in the data flow, the internal connections are clear and strong forward. And there is this structural and data flow. This is a small designs used in a small design, while the behavioral is used in a design structure of VHDL large programming. Okay, I will take a simple example of the structural modeling. The first one is the structural. This is the structural modeling example. Here there is a simple architecture of structural modeling is to be here. The architecture of structure HA, structure HA. So HA is the name of architecture of half adder. Now this half adder is the name of entity. Okay. Now as you observe that there is a multiple terms are to be there. First, component XOR 4 PQ input bit or output bit in component and 1 port XY underscore in bit Z out bit in begin. It is without program. This entity has to be specified it's specified in initially, and the architecture is given as begin x1, right? X1 is used as a XOR 1 port mapping with A, B and sum. A1 is AND 2 with the port of mapping with A, B with the carry, and end of the structure of half adder. In this way, we will specify the structural style. Another is the data flow style of modeling. Data flow style of modeling, in that one, it gives the specified information about the data flow. That is normally you will very well known about that the data will flow in input to output, not output to input. Okay, so data is maximum time flows from input to output. So it begins is that sum is equals to A XOR B, carry is equals to A add B. So end of that particular data flow of half adder. This is simply the data flow style of modeling. Okay.